Hello guys, so how are you? And guys, today I am going to be telling you that which one should you buy, an hard disk or an SSD. And guys, whenever we go in a shop to buy a hard disk or a computer which we want to build ourselves at home, so we get confused that which one should we buy, an SSD or an HDD. So guys, today I will be telling you which one you should buy and which one is the best for you. So come on, let's start. So guys, first I will be telling you about the hard disk drives, that is HDD, and first I will be telling you about the hard disk performance stability. So guys, hard disk has good performance and it has good stability. We can use it every day, which is not a bad thing. Guys, our second point is its price point. So guys, price point is very essential thing for all the users, and we think that what is the price of all the hard drives. So guys, for example, if we take a 500 GB hard drive, then it only comes under 1000 rupees and 2000 rupees, which is a very reasonable price for us. So guys, our third point is its hardware present in it. And guys, we don't know inside what is the hard disk, but guys, I would like to tell you that hard disk inside has one head which is used to read the data, and there is one disk on which the data is stored. So guys, in that a simple hardware is present, and that all hardware and it get powers from its logic board which is under the platter or the disk. So guys, if whenever we go for repairing, then it costs some less, and it is very good thing, and in mind that only thing comes it if got failed, then what can we do? So guys, our fourth point is its lifespan. It is also a very important point for us. And guys, hard disk has a good lifespan and it depends upon its brand, its quality and its class. If all three are very good quality, then it will survive very easily for 10 to 15 years. If we will use it for some heavy things, then it will be surviving around 5 years. I self have my own hard disk of 150 GB which I am using past 5 years. It is of Seagate and its model is of Barracuda. So guys, it is very working still now nicely. So I am happy with it. So like this is the hard disk lifespan. So guys, our last point, which is our carry back point or its size, can we carry it with us? So guys, hard drives are medium or a little bit big in size, so I can say that they are not reliable to carry. And guys, if hard disks also come in a small size, we can use the external hard drives, which is also a very reliable option for us. So guys, now let's come to our SSD, that is solid state drives. So guys, these drives are also used mainly in the modern motherboards or UEFI motherboards. And guys, our first point is its performance and stability. So guys, its performance is very nice and of top level, and its speed is uncomparable to any of the hard drive, which is very good thing. So guys, our second point is its price point, which is also very essential for all the users. So guys, these SSD or solid state drives are comparatively little bit expensive compared to the hard drives because of their quality, their brand and their class. Guys, our third point is its hardware present inside. So guys, in that the hardware present is a complex hardware which is like a PCB, which is printed circuit board, and on that small components are have been inserted. So guys, a very complex hardware is present in it. So guys, our fourth point is its lifespan, and guys, it is also a very important point for the SDD too. So guys, lifespan of SDD is as same as the HDDs compared to its quality, its brand and its class. So guys, our fifth point is its carry back or its size. Whenever we go out for a tour and we need our data with us, we cannot carry our desktop or laptop with us, so then we can take the SSD with us, and it is comparatively very small in size as hard disk, so it is very good thing for us. So guys, now let's come to my recommendation. Guys, I do not recommend you that you should buy only the hard disk or an SSD. Guys, it depends upon your use, that you use it for the daily basis or for the official uses or gaming uses. Guys, if you use your hard disk or an SSD for daily purposes, I will recommend you the hard disk, because your work is been done in some less price and it is also a good thing. But if you are a official tour guider, or you go outside the country to do your conferences and all, and you need your data with yourself and you also need the speed, then you can go for an SSD. It is also a good option. So guys, for in this video this much only, so please like, share and subscribe.